What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and today we have something a little different. So I'm going to be on NBA Top Shot, and I'm going to be opening some packs. So now, if you're not familiar with NBA Top Shot, this is essentially an NFT for the NBA, which is going to allow you to buy, sell, and trade, NBA moments for specific players, which I think is really awesome. I've been wanting to get into the NFT space, but it's always looked so complicated. But one of my good friends, Joey Asteroid from Project Rare, he has a YouTube channel. The link is going to be in the description below, and so go ahead and check that out. He has some great content. He introduced me to NBA Top Shot, which makes it super easy to get into the NFT space, especially if you like basketball. So I went ahead and created an account, and I went ahead and purchased one of the starting packs, which is a base set, and it was about $9. I didn't have to create any wallets or things like that. Everything is held on the NBA Top Shot website. All right, so I did record myself opening my first pack, which was about $9. It's one of the starting packs, so it was obviously cheap, and it came with 3 moments. So you just open those up, and you can get to see what the moments are, and it has a little description as you see on the recording that I'm going to play right after this. So it was really interesting, and you get to really own these moments. So I think this is a great way to get into the NFT space, because you're going to be able to sell, trade as they go up in value over time. You can also get moments that are limited editions, which are going to be worth more in the future if you were to sell it to somebody else, which I think is really awesome. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and play a screen recording of me opening my first pack. Hope you guys enjoy that. Alright guys, as you can see, those were 3 different moments that I got from this pack, and my favorite one was obviously the Russell Westbrook. And one thing I just learned when I opened these packs is that the lower the serial number, which was on the top of the description, the lower that number, the more it's going to be worth, the more that moment is going to be worth. And there were only 40,000 made, and I have 3 of those. And out of the set, my lowest and most valuable is actually the Russell Westbrook Dunk, which was number 1,836. And the other 2 were like 39,000, and the other was like 46,000. So the Russell Westbrook is definitely lower. So if you had a moment that had a serial number of 1, then that's going to be worth a lot of money. And these are all limited editions, so I'm probably going to go on the marketplace and purchase some more, and I want to build my collection and learn more about this website. So let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos. I think this is really interesting. I'm going to be watching more basketball just so that I really understand some of these moments here. But yeah, so this was really fun. Let me know what you guys think. If you have an NBA Top Shot account, if you plan on using it, if you like watching basketball, what is your favorite team? But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.